Hi everyone, in today's video I want to share with you how I make my delicious chicken. I first of all blend all the pepper together, all the minced pepper including onions. So from there I boiled it very well. It take up to 45 minutes roughly. So I dice my onions. So I had a vegetable oil. So from there I started fry the boiled pepper. So took another 20 minutes. As you can see, I added the boiled pepper. So I brought it to boil, and you can see the consistency. I had all the maize pepper, all the maize herb, so including thyme, including paprika, chili spicy, and so on and so forth. I had my Maggi cubes. I had paprika again. I love paprika. So I had the stock chicken, this chicken stock. So I stir in it, and I stir in it, as you can see. So after that, I cover it. It's so yummy, guys. I had my lovely, beautiful chicken. I I boiled that chicken, then I fry it as well. I fry it in the oven, in the fryer, So I mix them together. Please don't mind my accent. So from there, so I cover it. It's very easy. Just follow the recipe. I added the recipe as well. So after, because it's so thick, I added the chicken stock again. So I cover it in order to bring it to boil, to everything to banderize, to marry to each other. It's very tender, guys. This is very yummy. You can use it to heat pasta. I chose pasta that day because I did not have enough rice at home, and this sauce is very yummy, guys. It's so tender. You can see my chicken. That chicken is very yummy. Oh my goodness. Let me know what you think. Subscribe and share the video more.